If the moon were to suddenly disappear for just 60 minutes, the immediate effects on Earth and its inhabitants would be profound, though perhaps not as catastrophic as one might imagine. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, plays a vital role in stabilizing the Earth's axial tilt, which affects our climate and the seasons. Without it, the Earth would wobble unpredictably, leading to potential long-term climatic shifts. However, these changes would not be felt in a mere hour. Instead, the most immediate impact would be on the tides. The gravitational pull of the moon is responsible for the ocean tides, and in its absence, the tides would cease their rhythmic rise and fall. For those living near coastlines, this would be a moment of surreal stillness. The oceans, usually in constant motion, would become eerily calm. Fishermen, accustomed to the tidal patterns, would find their boats stranded and their nets empty. Beaches, typically washed by waves, would reveal an unusual expanse of sand, exposing marine life that usually resides below the water's surface. The absence of the moon would create a temporary vacuum in the natural order, leaving many marine creatures disoriented. As the hour progressed, people across the globe would begin to notice something was amiss. The night sky, usually illuminated by the soft glow of the moon, would be a stark void. Stargazers would find themselves staring into a darkness deeper than they had ever experienced, a canvas unbroken by the familiar lunar silhouette. For many, this absence would evoke feelings of unease, a reminder of how integral the moon is to our perception of the night. In urban areas, the disappearance of the moon would alter the ambiance of nighttime. Streetlights would flicker on in an attempt to compensate for the sudden darkness, but the absence of the moon's glow would create an atmosphere that feels almost alien. People out for evening walks would feel an instinctual pull to look up, only to be met with an unsettling emptiness. Conversations would shift from the mundane to the extraordinary as the news spreads rapidly across social media platforms. The world would collectively hold its breath, pondering the mysteries of the universe. As the hour unfolded, scientists and astronomers would scramble to analyze the situation. News reports would flood in, with experts theorizing about the implications of such an event. Theories would abound, ranging from cosmic disturbances to potential extraterrestrial causes. People would turn to their screens, seeking answers, while some would find comfort in the company of friends and family, sharing stories of the moon's beauty and its influence on culture, art, and mythology. When the 60 minutes finally elapsed and the moon reappeared as if nothing had happened, the world would exhale in relief. Yet, the brief absence would leave an indelible mark. People would gaze up at the moon with renewed appreciation, recognizing its role not just as a celestial body, but as a symbol of stability and continuity in an ever-changing world. The event would spark discussions about the fragility of our existence and the delicate balance of the universe. Schools would incorporate lessons on the moon's significance in science and culture, while artists might find inspiration in the experience, creating works that capture the fleeting moment of absence. In the end, the disappearance of the moon for 60 minutes would serve as a powerful reminder of our connection to the cosmos, prompting humanity to reflect on the beauty and unpredictability of life on Earth. It would be a moment that, though brief, would resonate through time, urging us to cherish the wonders that surround us, both seen and unseen.